down justice today. It's very windy. We've had to take our hat off because it's just trying to blow off. With her, I kind of really need two hands. I can't catch it. So, well, no hat. It's a very windy day, which is great for this horse because she is kind of spooky. So, there's all kinds of stuff to make her spook and go. And so what we're going to do is ride her till she's calm. And that's kind of the plan here. Just ride her till she calms down. She's been a little extra spooky so far today with all the wind. We got a big cold front blowing in. It's warm today. It'll be freezing tomorrow. So, these good windy days, though, is great for these kind of horses. Because what you do is you just take and ride them till they calm down. Ride them till they ride around good and calm and get relaxed, lower their head. It's kind of the plan here today with her. Just turn her around a bunch. Get her soft at the same time. Get her on her thinking mind. Now, one thing I really got to work on this horse is she does not understand whoa. So you just kind of got to ride her till she stops at the moment. You see, she just kind of gets nervous and then wants to speed up a little. Then sometimes she gets nervous and stops. It's always something different. Whoa. Whoa. Good. She actually did it. This horse has been a lot better since a lot of the desensitizing exercises. She still has a good ways to go, but she is a lot better. She's still a little jumpy, but you ain't gonna fix it all in just a few little exercises. Now she just needs a lot of riding time. Days like this is good. Wind's kind of calming down a little now. She don't want to be real soft. She's kind of fighting me with her head, so she's a lot softer the other direction, so we're going this direction so much. When I turn her around to the right, she's pretty soft. To the left, she kind of wants to fight it a little. See, when I pull her to the right, look how soft that is. And I ain't even really pulling. I mean, so she's a lot better that way. To the left, she wants to kind of fight me a little. I got to pull a little more. Put a tad bit more force in there. Cool. Now let's try a whoa and see what happens. Whoa. Let's see. Don't stop. So far, for me to stop her, it's you got to put your hand on her. Whoa. Good. So, what we might have to do the first few times is put her hand down there on her neck and then say it. And then once she gets to where she does it every time, then start trying without the neck. Now remember, if this was a started horse and she would start it properly here, whoa would be, she would understand whoa before we're ever really in the saddle, honestly. And I guess she just got by in life. I mean, this horse is 11. She's had some babies. I think she was trained, and then I think she just spent a lot of time out in the pasture having some babies and not really getting messed with. She's kind of nervous about people at first. She's come a long way. She's getting a lot better. Whoa. Whoa. See, there we go. Good. Good. Alright, she listened to it that time. Let's go. Loosen up. Whoa. So what we're going to do is when we touch her, we're going to melt in the saddle just like we always would on a whoa. 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 And then maybe she'll also get to where when she feels you kind of doing that melting in the saddle, she'll kind of understand it too. Got to use extra cues in the beginning, but we'll get there. Kind of jumpy still. Wind's picking back up. She's getting to where she's paying attention to me more and telling her ears. She's not quite as jumpy. She's still a little jumpy here and there, but I didn't ask you to, Will. Oh, she's trying to poop. I'm sorry. You can poop. Yeah, poop on your tongue. No, she was done. Whoa. 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 Good. I would really like to kind of get her a whoa on her own. We might not get that done today. Yeah. She's kind of nervous, so she's not as fast of a learner. A nervous horse usually isn't. That's very common. A lot of times their nervousness really gets in the way of their thinking side of their brain. But the more we make them think, the more they get over that nervousness. That's why it's pretty crucial to do exercises where they do have to think. Once you get them to a point where they have enough of their brain from the nervousness that they can. See, look at all that. She's blowing out a lot of nervous energy there. A lot. There you go. You're getting better now. Whoa. Whoa. Good. Whoa. I had to lightly touch her. So I was better. We made some progress. Not perfect. So she shouldn't have really gotten this far without really understanding it, but we'll get her to understand it now. And she does not back up. Obviously, she don't even know to stop, so backup is definitely foreign to her. And so that's something else. Now, she's so nervous that I will teach backing from the ground at first. I will get her to understand it very well from the ground, and then I'll teach her in the saddle. Whoa. Alright, well, you were kind of stopping on your own anyway, but you did what we asked. We'll give you the credit. Alright. Well, if I go to get off, you gonna let me off? I don't want you moving when I'm getting off.